go with Mr. Bean. Then you just stay here alone. So guys, we are going. Hi guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kimkala, but you can call me Kim. So if you are watching me for the first time अथवा तपाईहरुले मेरो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्दिनु भएको छैन भने चाहिँ सुरुमा प्लिज मेरो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्दिनु होला अनि साथैको त्यो बेल आइकन पनि टिङ्रिङ गलाएर क्लिक गर्दिनु होला to get the notification as soon as I post the video. So guys, welcome to another vlog. So आज पनि मैले vlog को साथमा आइसकेको छु. So आजको vlog मा चाहिँ where we are going, Nigel?
We are going to witness rice harvesting.
Rice harvesting at Sanisidro, Pampanga. How rice harvesting is done here in Philippines. So yeah, I'm also going to show you. So yeah, it's gonna be super hot, but we are prepared for it. Yay! So let's go to rice harvesting. And by the way, guys, did you see my new sunglasses? And this Mr. Nigel is saying like when I wear this I look like Mr. Bean.
The holiday movie.
So much insult, no? But it's okay. See, do I really look like Mr. Bean? Okay, I'll keep a photo of Mr. Bean here so that you can. Oh my god, really? Anyway, this I bought just at 92 peso. Which is 192 means 194 in Nepali rupees.
184.
Oh, 184 rupees, 92 peso. So yeah, even if I look like Mr. Bean, no problem. So if you are a fan of Mr. Bean, please subscribe, okay? Does Mr. Bean speak or not in his show?
No.
Oh, he just keep quiet. So guys, still 18 minutes to reach to the place. So it's currently right now 9:39, so we will be reaching at 9:54 a.m.
Hi.
Mr. Driving. Mr. Nigel Cow is driving, and today he has made me Mrs. Bean. Mr. Bean called me. We are finally here at the field. So right now we are waiting for the kuyas. They are having their break time. So after they finish their lunch, I think we'll go to the field and see how the harvesting is done. And see, you can see they have like dry the rice here. It's something like we also do in Nepal, right? And it's very hot. So guys, come, I'll just show you around so you can see how they are doing.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling hot. And I feel excited to see, but I feel a little bit sad because Nigel is keep on saying me I look like Mr. Bean and he say I look funny, but I cannot help it because I need to wear it because it's so much of sun and I cannot open my eyes. That's why I need to wear it. So you cannot call me Mr. Bean, okay? Otherwise I'll go with Mr. Bean and you just stay here alone. So guys, now we are going in the middle of the farm And it looks so scary. Hey, you also hold no baby. We are going in the middle of the farm.
Ayun, Boseng, nangingin bakaw yung kumbiyor natin. Yung kuha nila, pinaka-bakaw, yung bakaw sa may-ari.
Itatawag ko.
Oo. Kasi,
Kasi sa usapan natin.
So guys, we came but they have already finished harvesting. They started at 9 and what's the time now?
10 something.
So yeah, by now it's already finished. So you can see the sacks they have already collected here.
So now they're collecting mine.
So friends, they have already finished the harvesting and now they are just collecting the sack and bringing back to the mill. So we came little bit late. So the harvester already went there. So if you have a harvester, it takes only few hours to finish this. But if you don't have a harvester, it will take a few days, like a week or 2 weeks to finish this. Like in Nepal, Nepal it takes a lot of days to harvest the rice, but here in few hours. So guys, right now as you can see, they have harvested, they finished harvesting, and after harvesting they are just firing the place. But what's the purpose of it?
They're burning.
I mean burning the
So
place.
when you burn all this, it actually is a natural fertilizer.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
So-
so there in your mouth.
I think he can hear you. So as Nigel said, after if you burn here, so it will act as a natural fertilizer. So that's the reason for burning. So yeah, they are burning. Oh my God! It's
So the
so
system
hot.
over here is that whoever works on a farm will get 10% of whatever is being harvested.
So guys, even though we don't get to see how harvesting is done, I get to sit in the harvester for photo and video. So from the up here, hi there. So yeah, they are just burning the field now. Right after the rice harvesting, which we are here at Bfarmcafe by Alexa's Kitchen at Baliwag, Bulacan. So yeah, our friends say it's a nice restaurant. So I mean like recommended one. So yeah, we are here. So yeah, let me show you. Let's go inside. So guys, it's very hot, 38 degrees Celsius. Just now when we checked, it was 44 degrees Celsius when we were in the farm. Then it changed to 38 degrees Celsius. So yeah, this is the so yeah. So I have made my Mr. Bean up. Oh, so nice. Wait. So let's go, guys. So I think this is the major attraction of this place, floating restaurant. Oh my god, shaky. What? I'm tired. Back to the home and see my husband. He's so tired and he's sleeping and snoring.
Let's go.
It's okay, sleep for a while.
Okay, I slept for 15 minutes. How long I slept? Do you video me sleeping?
No, 15 minutes. So yes guys, today's days was like this. So if you like the video, do like, comment on the video and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ani, now we are on the way back to the home. So how was the day today, baby?
Very educational, I like it.
Yeah, he asked so many questions. But
I think I can become a rice farmer.
Oh wow, congratulations. But yeah, we didn't get to see the harvester, harvesting, how it is done. So we just get to experience the harvester, that's it. So yeah, it was quite a like new experience. We like it. So if you also like it, hit the subscribe button, okay? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, love you guys. Bye.